Hello, we hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to subscribe for free, like, ring the bell and comment. More details about these at the end. Halloween decorations. Halloween bats. The Bears have made spider decorations for Halloween previously. You can read all about that here. Even though they were lovely, they decided that perhaps they could make some other decorations too. The more the merrier. Or in this case, the more the spookier. Teddy and Bubbles especially wanted to make bats. First of all, they cut out some bat shapes in black card. You can see a picture of the shape here. When they hung the bat shapes up, they didn't really seem very lifelike and were a bit dull for Halloween. So Teddy set to and found some more googly eyes. You may remember the Bears used them on their spiders too. And he stuck them onto the bat shapes. Even then they weren't very exciting. So Bubbles decided to make some folds in the bat's wings. He was very clever because suddenly the bat seemed to come alive. He now looked like he could fly and swoop at people. Then Teddy found some black shirring elastic, which is a special sort of thin elastic thread. The Bears bought theirs from their local craft shop. He made a hole in the bat's head and tied a long length of elastic through it. When the bat was hung from the ceiling, any gentle breeze, or a pull or a push from a bear, would make it fly around as if it was real. Brilliant! The other bears were all so impressed with the bat which the two of them had made that they all helped to make even more, and they ended up with a whole bunch of them. They don't know if bunch is the right word for lots of bats, so they asked Scary to look it up, and it turns out that they should be saying a colony or cloud of bats. They wondered what it is for bears. Perhaps that's something you can look up. Anyway, you could make some decorations for your Halloween party too. You can follow the Bears' previous instructions for making spiders, and you can follow the pictures here and try making your own bats too. Use their bat template and make them bigger or smaller, and make the folds where they are marked on the picture. They hung their spiders and bats from a windowsill and they all bounced around together. Have fun, but don't scare anyone too much. Happy Halloween! If you want to watch a video of how to make the Halloween bats, then please click here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for free and our videos will appear on your YouTube homepage, making them easier for you to find. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button. Ringing the bell means you'll be notified about our new videos. Please also leave a comment. Comments and ideas help us to improve.